Bitcoin for beginners: how to earn Bitcoin online for free. What what you will learn 9 reasons why Bitcoin is better than government money, USD, Ethereum, INR, PHP, etc. Learn more than 3 ways to earn interest on your Bitcoin. Learn to use the biggest Bitcoin platform in the universe. See more than 10 ways to get Bitcoin for 100% free. How to buy Bitcoin click by click. Get mobile apps that pay your Bitcoin. Requirement: the only requirement is that you are willing to learn new things. Prescription: this is a course that the government doesn't want you to see. Bitcoin is the best performing access for the uh, dedicated. And student also brought altcoin instant in altcoin J viral marketing masterclass. The website 7 website to get Bitcoin for 100% free. How to buy Bitcoin in 5 minutes. Click by click tutorial. 7 apps to get free Bitcoin while you sleep. How to earn free cryptocurrency while you sleep. Mobile apps that pay me free Bitcoin while sleep. How to get up to 2335 in Bitcoin apps for free. Altcoin versus Bitcoin: should you hold Bitcoin or altcoin? How to earn Bitcoin while you sleep. Automatic income apps that pay you Bitcoin for free. And student feedback 4 point. Rating, review. So takes and Bitcoin and buy now. Full name, email, password and sign up. And business: get request for demo. Get your demo. See why reading optimization shows why business as three risked. And employee learning, unlimited access and 16K plus top course. Select for solution and course and resource. So category: deep development, business development, web development রয়েছে, and আছে popular topics JavaScript, REST, CSS, Regulant, Node, PHP, HTML5, Vue.js, and data sciences আছে Python, machine language, learning, data analytics, artificial intelligence and program language, natural language. And mobile development রয়েছে Google, Flutter, Android development, iOS development, Swift, React Native, Dart programming languages, mobile apps development, Kotlin and SwiftUI, and programming language রয়েছে Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, Go programming language, C programming language, and Spring framework. Okay. Then game development রয়েছে Unity based and Unreal engineering, game development fundamental, C#, 3D game development, C++, 2D game development, and Blender. Okay. So database and design development and software testing রয়েছে JavaScript, and software engineering রয়েছে data structure, coding, software and Python রয়েছে এবং software development tools রয়েছে Git, Jenkins এবং নো কোড ডেভেলপমেন্ট রয়েছে ওয়েব ডিজাইন, উইক্স and নো কোড ডেভেলপমেন্টের। আসলে এই ওয়েবসাইটগুলো দিয়ে খুব সহজে আপনারা অ্যাপস এবং ওয়েবসাইট ফ্রিতে তৈরি করতে পারবেন। ওকে, সেখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন নো কোডিং ডেভেলপমেন্টে রয়েছে মাইক্রোসফট পাওয়ার অ্যাপস, ওয়েব ডিজাইন রয়েছে উইক্স রয়েছে অ্যান্ড ওয়ার্ডপ্রেস রয়েছে। খুব সহজে আপনারা তৈরি করতে পারবেন। ওকে, দেন এখানে আমরা যদি যাই বিজনেসে বিভিন্ন সিস্টেম রয়েছে দেখতে পাচ্ছি। ই কমার্সের জন্য রয়েছে ড্রপ শিপিং, শপিফাই, অ্যামাজন ইত্যাদি ইত্যাদি। ওকে, সো থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান।